There are too many PDF editor websites on the internet, and they all may charge you to separate PDF pages or split PDF pages. But today I am going to show you a trick, and with that you can separate or split pages without paying anything. Also, even internet connection is not required for that. So let's start the video. First, right-click on File. Go to Open with. Select Google Chrome. You can see there are 11 pages in this PDF. Now, for example, here I would like to separate first 4 pages. Click on Print button. Select Microsoft Print to PDF or Save as PDF option. In Pages, select Customized. Now here, as I would like to separate first 4 pages, I will enter 1-4. Click on Print button. Click on Save button. Now let's take another example. I would only like to separate first page from this PDF, so I will write only one in Pages section and then click on Print button. Again, I will save this PDF with file name called Page 1. Now let's check our saved PDF files. First, we will check pages 1 to 4. Here you can see only 1 to 4 pages. Let's check another file. And here we can only see page 1. So now you know how you can separate PDF pages without paying anything with this simple trick. If you need more free tricks on anything, please leave your comments. I will try to make video on that. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.